Open up Blender, create a grass model, something like this. Now export it to GLTF and import it into Godot. Create a new 3D scene, merge the grass object from your model and rename it to grass object. Add a mesh instance node and select plane as mesh and also resize it. I'm gonna call it ground. Add a multi-mesh instance node and populate surface. Ground as target and grass as source. Play with the parameters and populate. In the inspector, click Material Override and select Spatial Material. Change the albedo and also set the cull mode to none. You can also change the amount using the populate surface button and also changing things as you want. Play with the settings and you might end up getting something like this.